Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Windrose game. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Windrose game and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and first select the disable Steam input and then go ahead restart the game because changing requires the restart of the game. And after restarting the game, check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the Windrose properties, go to the controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game because changing requires restart of the game. And after restarting the game, check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in Windrose game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you're using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. And if you are using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and check. You can also test your controllers on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative option. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the last solution is to restart Steam, restart PC. So simply open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit Steam. This will exit this Steam and then again relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC and after your PC restart and then you can go ahead launch the Steam as an admin and then check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Windrose game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.